Here, I think I've been talking to myself after taking a picture. Um, I was, I got 6 feet of this felt material, 1/4 inch thick. I need to make some way wipers. There's a lame attempt there, but you have to have these through holes. And before I realized that you can buy a punch, where did I put that tool at? I started to think how I could make one. And where did I put that tool at? I think it's in here. So, in making one, I started telling you about how I removed the anti-compound block from my mini lathe and installed the compound. I'm actually just buying time because I need to find the attachment to put my powered compound to work. I'm looking around at the magnet strips hanging on the wall. I remember putting it someplace where someplace other than where I would normally put it, because I thought, well, I'm going to use it with this, so I'm going to put it here. So that would be possibly the Allen wrench. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yes, how stupid was this? I put it down inside this box. I don't know what sizes. No sizes are missing. It's an SK tool set. There's Allen's from whatever, and I got the metric set as well. And that hooks up to my spark plug socket, like so. And then that is going to be utilized. You can see it all from there, baby. So, need to get a specialized okay, now we are ready. Okay, let's see. I hope you got to see some of that. We might have it right there. Now we need to put a hole through here so we can poke out the little felt ends. I think I might get away with not using a boring bar. Should I try one more pass? I want to do a pass, but I want to do the cutting from left to right. Let's see how much travel I have left. That made all the difference in the world. Let's see if we can check that edge out. Is that too far away from you? Let's pull the thing out. Chuck key. That is sharp. So let's try to cut a hole out of some felt. We'll do it right here. Well, we ended up cutting a hole in our felt and my vinyl table. So I didn't need that second little draw, did I? And I probably dulled my tool unnecessarily. So let's see how we're going to dig that out of there. The vinyl should be pretty easy. Yeah, we're definitely going to need to harden this. Oops, there we are. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to need to harden this. I'm going to see if I can I see in my head a pencil-shaped file. This is just trying to take the damage away from what I just did to it. Maybe I can heat this up enough with propane. Surely still sharp enough to cut felt. Let's see if we can't drill into that felt. Oh, I just pushed it way down in there. I made it really deep. I made it deep enough so I could just stack the felts up if I had to. If I can get into that felt, I should be able to pull it out. I'm going to try one more thing. I can see already. And I don't have the right tool, but you know, I do have something that might work. And that is, this has an ever so slightest hook on it. And things are just laying about strewn all over. Here comes some familiar music.
There's a nice repair we got in here. We got the work on. Nice big roller.
Yeah. My magnet on the end of this is stuck.
This is what was on it. And there's your problem. You will no hole. Looks like they beveled it.
You know, if I wasn't videotaping this, it would come right out.
Clearly did not penetrate. I wouldn't be surprised if this was done with a MIG gun. And I guess they welded the end of it out here too. You can see a little bit of weld there.
Yeah, you got it.
But none of it held, and it's just been basically floating on that stuff right there.
Okay, there it is.
So somebody has set this up and turned this down and made this sleeve and tried to weld it on there, and it failed again. So no work.
No worky.
So my job to repair this in a timely manner.
In a timely manner. Do it, baby. There we go. And maybe, do I have any propane? Yeah, I do. I think I'm going to need map gas, though, really. And I should probably rework this and then heat treat it, because it's already damaged. So let's slide it back in here and just freshen up that cutting edge. We better bring it out a little bit. No, we're okay. We can go back. We can go in. Because this is my brake line here. So I can come all the way back. Okay. And this is going to be our final sharpen. So we're going to bring it in. Let's turn everything on. that cleaned it right up. So well, I remember when I could take this tool off without hitting the camera. I could get some awesome shots with this little camera. Okay, like, subscribe, tell a buddy, bring a friend.